It's a park day today. So before the winters start for us in a full-fledged form, we have a little summer left and it was a little sunny today. We are off to the park to take the little one to play. So in this way I will show you how our park is also. So come and join me there. Come, walk towards the park, baby. So this is my little one with the umbrella. So if it rains, the Chotu is already ready with the umbrella. Papu, say hi. Say a hi. Thank you. He's guiding us to the park. He knows where it is. So he's walking through it. Come slowly, come slowly. The way to our park. So there's full lush greenery on both the sides. So summers are a bliss to stay here, and winters are a little depressing because it gets too dark by around 5 o'clock and sun rises very late. So we have long winters here. Now we are off to the park. This is the entrance to our park. The entire park is laden with big trees, lush greenery everywhere. So here in this place, there's a park in every neighborhood. So this is a super big park. You have lots of space to relax. There's a kids area and there's a play zone, play court, where you can see guys skating, cycling, all extracurricular activities. There's a track here for running and jogging. So people do cycling, they run, jog, relax under these trees. So since this is all lush greenery, you can see little creatures everywhere. Squirrels, birds chirp and enjoy their day like how we enjoy. So this trail is one entrance to the kids zone, and there's another trail that side which also leads you to the kids zone. So yeah, now we are taking our little one to the kids area to play. He's already super excited because we've kept him inside the house like an entire week and he's got super frustrated being inside. So you can see how he enjoys and relaxes himself in his zone there. So if you can see these houses opposite the park, they're called row houses. So each house is built in the same pattern and they are all connected adjacently to each other. So in front of the house and behind the house there are spaces left, which you can keep it as your gardening space or keep it as a kids play out where you can spend your time with the kids. So actually I've seen vastly in the UK, so many houses are constructed in this pattern and there are apartments in where we stay, and then there are these luxurious villas and cottages. So basically I've seen only these three models in the UK, so I'm not sure if these are the only three patterns or there are many newly constructed models also. So yeah, and one more thing here is all the houses will have spaces either in the front of the house or in their backyard or surrounding the house. There's some square feet of space which is left between the houses in front or in the behind. So I think this is maybe requested by the law or it is the people who leave it there according to their wish. I'm not sure about that, but as mostly seen and widely seen around UK, this is how the houses are. So all these are row houses in a row. So an in-park tennis volleyball court here. So you can see people playing and enjoying their last summers before the winters. There's also a basketball court that side, if it's clearly visible. And this is another small area for kids where they can play and enjoy their time. So we are heading into it now. So you can climb on these low raised walls and walk around it, enjoy, have fun and make merry here. So it's their quiet space. So a 360 view of the park looks something like this. Greenery, greenery, greenery and fresh oxygen everywhere. You can relax here, tension free, stress free and enjoy. This is how the kids area looks. Hi. Little one is heading towards the swing. Sit properly. Put your legs. Sit down. Sit down, Nana. Yup. Say hi. He's off in his play. Ukar, clean ukar. Sit properly. यार कीलवरा என்னடா இதுவும் சார்லியா கண் தொடி தொடச்சிட்டு டேப் கிளீனா போடு கோ கோ இப்ப ருத்துவே வருவான்ப்பா டாடி புடிச்சுக்காதீங்க அவனை ருத்துவாடா படுத்துமா படுத்துக்கோ நீ படுத்தினாதான் வர வா மம்மியும் நீயும் வரலாமா வரியா நீயே படு கோ பேக் சூப்பர் அவனை பாத்தீங்களா
You like it? Huh? Huh? It's raining and luckily we got the umbrella today.
So there's this sudden rain today, but luckily as you saw the little one had taken the umbrella, so he saved us from this heavy rain. So the park is completely empty now, but this rain will actually last only for another 15 minutes and then the park is gonna be crowded with kids. So we'll shoot the video after the rain stops. But till then you can have this view of the rain. So there's greenery till that end if you can see. So this is how the park ends. This is our complete park. Greens and greens everywhere. People are enjoying the rain. We are there standing under a big tree here. So yeah, this is it. Such big trees. These must be ages old trees. So they've maintained the green luster and nature of the park here. Well maintained, well groomed park. So nice space to relax. Sit under the trees, enjoy your summers, play with your kids, loved ones. Have fun. Say hi.
இந்த வீடியோ எடுத்தியா இல்லையா ட்ரோன் விட்டுட்டு இருந்ததெல்லாம்
So we are done with our park and heading back towards home. It's raining, so I am inside the umbrella. The guys are enjoying the rain. We're heading back home, so this was our day today. See you guys until our next video. Bye bye.